So we are currently doing about 250 to 300 crores targeting for FY18, and our EBITDA margins are over 15%. We have two verticals as far as revenues are concerned, significant revenues are concerned. One is engineering business, which is almost 80 to 90% of our revenues, and that is where we expect a good growth for FY18. Then other than engineering, we have real estate, where also we're expecting a good significant growth in FY18 because of our existing projects that are under execution. So both these verticals we're expecting should give a significant growth in FY18 numbers. But 90% of our revenues are still going to be from engineering business, which is the EPC business for infrastructure and in irrigation and water and hydropower segments. From here on, we expect a good 15 to 20% growth on year-to-year basis over the next 3-4 years. We're expecting some good order inflow in this financial year itself. We're hoping to add anywhere between 500 to 1,000 crore in terms of additional order book, fresh order book before March 18. We have two focus areas. One is domestic and the other one is overseas for the same segments of infrastructure that we are present in. We are expecting to add a good order book from overseas infrastructure projects also. We are already executing a $17 million contract in Rwanda, and henceforth we have bid for projects in Rwanda, in Ghana, in Cambodia, and a couple of other countries. So we are hoping to add a good order book from these countries where we have bid for projects already. So we don't have a big exposure in real estate, barring 2-3 projects. One project in Jaipur, which is adding significant revenue and bottom line. Second project is in Hyderabad, which is adding bottom line in FY18 and 19. And we have some real estate portfolio in, projects in Kota, which is also going to add to our revenue and bottom line. And then we have the Bombay project, but that is going to take a little longer than these 3 other projects that I'm talking about. So Bombay, I'm expecting to add revenue and bottom line in FY19, 20, 21 onwards. FY19 onwards, but in 19, 20, 21. Well, so far we have not added any land bank or any new projects in our real estate division. So whatever existing land bank we have is all that we are going to monetize. Going forward also, I see that engineering is going to be our core business and our main focus area. Collectively, we are hoping that all of these Hyderabad, Jaipur and Bombay and Kota projects will add roughly around 500 to 600 crores in terms of bottom line addition, which is net profit addition over the next 4 to 5 years. Certainly we'll have engineering revenue growth in FY18 from FY17 number. The decline has been because of our engineering order book. Our last few years we have not added a significant order book to our engineering business. So going forward, we have put in a lot of bids and we are hoping to add a good amount of orders to our engineering order book. So the decline in revenue is now going to result, now not going to be there, and now is going to be resulting in revenue growth in our engineering revenues. No plans as of now, but maybe going forward after a few years, if we find that the revenues for other verticals are significant enough, we'll look at restructuring. The engineering segment, there's a lot of talk about it, but the bids are not coming in. However, in the last 6 months, I've seen a lot of traction there. So, what was lacking in the last 2-3 years, the government of India was only focusing on road sector in amongst the infrastructure verticals. I've seen there is a lot of traction happening on the other sectors other than road sector also in infrastructure.